Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Mining News Flash. Today with Mogotes Metals, Victoria Gold and OceanaGold here on Commodity TV. Mogotes Metals, rock chip and trench service are expanding the new Rincon copper-gold-silver deposit at the Filo Sur project in the Vicuña district of Argentina. This deposit is adjacent to Filo Mining's world-class Filo del Sol copper-gold-silver project, which has been fully acquired by BHP and the Lundin Group for several $1 billion in recent weeks. This new zone extends a brand new exploration target area over several kilometers in a north-south direction, where further exploration is believed to create attractive drill targets. In the near future, Mogotes Metals intends to extend this area further to the south, east and west to assess what the Rincon area has to offer. All of this is in preparation for the first drilling in the spring to summer of 2025. On 30th July, Victoria Gold provided another update on the management of the heap leach plant incident that occurred at the Eagle Gold Mine on 24th June this year. Victoria continues to focus on the safety of its employees and limiting environmental damage. Victoria takes daily water samples at several locations at the Eagle Mine. Several of these sampling points are located downstream from the site of the HLF incident. As previously disclosed in Victoria's release from 12th July, the company has detected traces of cyanide in Haggard Creek downstream of the HLF incident. Cyanide was not detected in the majority of samples the company analyzed downstream of the HLF. The company has detected low levels of WAD cyanide in 7 of 134 samples collected downstream of the incident in Haggard Creek from 23rd July. Since the incident, as previously reported, a pumping system was set up within hours to return contact water to lined containment bases. The company also collects and stores groundwater in lined containment basins. In order to better manage contact water at the Eagle Gold Mine, the company is completing the accelerated construction of an additional water storage tank on site. This additional storage tank will supplement the existing capacity of the water storage tank at Eagle. The investigation to determine the cause of the incident is ongoing. The company has engaged its engineer in charge of the HLF and several independent, industry-leading experts to conduct a root cause analysis. In addition, the company is working with external technical experts retained by the Yukon government and the FNND. Production operations remain suspended and may not resume without authorization from the Yukon Director of Mineral Resources. Victoria will continue to work to minimize the impact on the environment with employee safety as a top priority. There can be no assurance that the company will obtain the necessary permits to resume production or that it will have the necessary funding to repair the damage to equipment and facilities, remediate the impacts caused by the incident, or resume production. The company will provide further information in due course. Let's hope for the best. OceanaGold, business development and outlook for a promising future. The mining company OceanaGold recorded a 30.7% decline in its net profit to $14.2 million in the second quarter this year compared to $20.5 million in the same period of the previous year. Despite the temporary challenges, which are mainly due to lower ore production, the company is confident about the second half of the year. In the second quarter, sales fell by 22% to $68 million compared to over $88 million in the previous year. The main reason for this decline is the temporary reduction in the production of gold and copper ores at the Didipio mine in Nueva Vizcaya, which the company operates. Gold production fell by 28% to 23,100 ounces in the second quarter, while copper production fell by 18% to 2,800 tons at Didipio. These declines are due to the mining of ore with a lower gold and copper content in the reporting period. In addition, the mining of higher grade ore was delayed due to a tragic incident at the Didipio mine, which resulted in these activities being postponed to the third quarter. However, OceanaGold is optimistic about the future. Significantly higher production rates are expected here again in the second half of the year, as higher grade ore can be accessed again and underground mining rates increased. OceanaGold is also continuing to focus on sustainable growth and it's investing heavily in exploration. Overall, OceanaGold plans to produce at Didipio between 120,000 and 135,000 ounces gold and 12,000 to 14,000 tons of copper this year. In addition, $2 million has been made available for drilling and exploration activities in Nueva Vizcaya in order to develop further ore deposits and secure the long-term profitability of the company. With a clear strategy and a strong partnership with the Philippine government, OceanaGold is well positioned to further expand its role as a leading mining company in the region. After the recent price losses and the good prospects for significantly higher production, OceanaGold shares price should soon turn upwards again. You can also find all the information on our Commodity TV app in German and English, as well as everything to do with commodities. We look forward to your like, and more importantly, please subscribe to our TV channel. Please note the disclaimer. The shares discussed will be part of the SRC Mining Special Situation Certificates, and I am a shareholder in the company. Thanks for watching us, and Servus from Austria.